Hello, my name is Moses Durazo, your medical biomagnetic pair and a recalibration biomagnetism specialist. My mission, well, that's to help you detect and correct pH distortions so you can live an awesome, phenomenal, wonderful, healthy life in a safe and natural way. My objective as a medical biomagnetic pair specialist is to provide a diagnostic and master reset by identifying and correcting pH imbalances in your body. So why does your pH get distorted? Well, because of infections such as virus, bacteria, fungus, parasites. When there's organ and glandular dysfunctions, those represent a pH distortion. Intoxication, emotional issues, and here's the thing, what our life's problems is that we have pain and suffering. Physical, emotional, spiritual. So physical pain and suffering looks like illness, disease, infections, blood pressure, like those signs and symptoms, arthritis, cancer, trauma, dysfunctions, intoxication, and even emotions cause physical pain and discomfort. Right? When you're really upset, is that just a thought that you're looking at floating in the air, or do you really feel it in your body? So things like sadness and rage, anger, depression, all of those things. Spiritual pain and suffering, what is that? Things that, like when we wake up and life is pointless, or I don't know what to do, no sense of direction, when we don't like who we are, there's self-hatred, and even things like when we feel that we're being possessed. Oh, somebody did a hex on me, or that person has ill wishes towards me, and those affect our spiritual well-being. Those are examples of. Well, my friends, if you want to learn more about biomagnetism, please subscribe. I hope you like that. Hit that like button. Love you all very much. Take care.